fall's favorite pastime is a never-ending game of hide and seek. Three generations, from grandmother to the youngsters, come together to share the meal.
So I don't know if you can see the sad poor wrinkles on this plant. I had it on the windowsill and I didn't, water it for a while. Can you see that? It's like you see it? Oh, I feel so bad. This is has always been there, but I'm just trying to show you. You see the wrinkleness? I don't want to bend it too much because it will, but that's wrinkly. That's wrinkly. You see how I can bend it? Wrinkly. Not so much here, but yeah. Here's a new one right here. I have a few of these. I absolutely love this plant. I think this is the scallop kalanchoe. But yeah, this was super thirsty and I felt so bad. So I have it in a Bath and Body Works candle pot, and I've just put water in it and I've placed it back to sitting in it and just absorbing all that water. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here. It's super tall, but I love it. I do need to get a stick for it eventually.
We are going to the beach. Yay! Right at the beach. Yay! What's the best part about the beach? Yeah, I'm actually very happy. What's the best part of the beach, guys? My best part of the beach is the water. But I hate building a sandcastle and going in the water. But I also kind of don't like going in the water because the
Careful.
water, whenever it splashes, kind of goes around. Oh, weird. It's a sprinkler.
Kick.